For those of you that are missing Luke, here's Luke. He's watching me very intently build a garden box, a raised garden bed, aren't you, Luke? Luke, hi. Yeah. You're a good boy, hey? I was gifted a whole bunch of filing cabinets over time. This one's a lateral 4-high filing cabinet that I took the drawers out. And I took the drawers out of the 3-high filing cabinets, which I'm making raised beds out of 2. And I have another 4-high lateral filing cabinet, which I'll put at this end right here. And I'll actually have about this much space, I think, between. So I don't know what I'll do with that. I'll either push them together or pull them both to the outside. But then I'm putting leaves inside that I have driven around town, and tons of bags of leaves people throw out. And it's just such a wonderful organic matter to start a garden with. Like, the soil that comes from that is amazing. And I put cardboard down on the bottom so that it'll kill the grass and turn into soil, and eventually have the whole yard into garden. And then I'm going to get some free wood chips from an arborist that there's a couple I've contacted, and they're going to drop them in my yard instead of dropping them at the dump. I've lined these metal filing cabinets, aka raised garden beds, with poly. Now this poly happens to be, I cut it in half because I had ordered a brand new bed a couple months ago, and I saved the poly, and now I'm using it in here. So I have one more 4-high lateral cabinet, so it's got another piece of poly that I'm just putting under here, waiting to take the drawers, because it's a little bit of work taking the drawers out. So I'll work on that today. Now I have taken the drawers out of, I just used a rough neck bar to pry the sides of the filing cabinet drawers and get them out. And now I have the 2 of them here. What I do, like I was saying, is I put leaves in, but I also put grass clippings in, twigs in, not lawn. You could put cardboard in there. And then I put some chicken manure that my neighbor gives me, which is awesome, and it is in wood chips. So I put a little bit of all that in, and it breaks down quite fast, actually, into really good organic soil.